guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my April favorites, showing you everything that I loved this month. Tons of drugstore products to talk about, a lot of great skincare that I really loved. If you're curious about this look, I will have a tutorial for you linked down below. I just filmed it, and this is also a full face of a drugstore, so lots of affordable things on deck today. So if you enjoy these types of videos, be sure to subscribe, but let's go ahead and get started. I got a couple of lip products that I'd love to discuss with you. The first one I actually was so excited about and then hated and was so disappointed, and now I've come around to loving it all in the span of a couple of weeks. So that is from Lineage. You know how much I love Lineage, and I've pretty much never had a miss from them. So this is the Lineage Lip Treatment Balm. So it comes in this little, this thing, and you can put your finger in it, or what I think is interesting and what I like about it, they're going to do this kind of thing, it has a place, you know what I mean? It's not just floating around. You can use this to apply it, which I think is nice. I don't do that, but it is a nice option if I was to keep this in a bag, because on the go and with sticking your fingers in here and stuff. So, but all of this to say that the reason I didn't like this is because it just didn't feel as impactful and as hydrating as like obviously their lip mask or even their lip glowy balm, but it's kind of a different thing. And what I think this does so well is make your lips look amazing. It has this sort of iridescence in it, really beautiful texture. In reading about it, you know what I mean? Like, I had this set of expectations that I made up in my head, and then it didn't meet what I had made up in my head. And it was like, I didn't say I was gonna do that. You know what I mean? That was the discourse that myself and this lip balm had. But anyways, I really thought that over time I started to love the way it looked on my lips. It made my lips look so smooth and kind of like blurred or whatever, any kind of wrinkles that I had in my lips. It looked plump, it felt really good. So I really like this. This is kind of like the lowest level of hydration in my opinion, and it's a little bit more cosmetic, but it kind of rides that fine line of being something cosmetic but also still hydrating, while the lip mask, for example, is definitely like a more intensive treatment. So all of that to say, I really like this lip balm. I won't talk so much about the next two. The other one is from Physicians Formula. I have an IG reel that I'll link to below testing this out. This is the Diamond Plumper Mineral Wear Lip Plumper, and honestly, I almost didn't even use this because it looks like such a light color. It has some shimmer in there, and I was like, that's just not for me. They sent me a pink one that I didn't even try because I was like, no, I'm just gonna donate it. But this gives such a beautiful lip look on the lips. It doesn't look too milky. It doesn't look like a light color. It just, again, almost actually pretty similarly to the Lineage, but in like a liquid form. Just is really, really pretty. It doesn't have the same smoothing effect, I would say, as the as the Lineage, and not necessarily as hydrating, because this is more of like a true balm. And I don't think it has like that, it doesn't have that minty scent, and I didn't feel like it plumped in the sense of like tingling, but just in the way it made my lips look. They looked plumper, similar to the Lineage, so I thought that was awesome. And the packaging is gorgeous. I love this like diamond-y thing on the top. And then lastly, also coming to an IG reel near you, Fenty came out with this little, actually I like the duo. I like them together and I like them separately. I think they're both really pretty. I hadn't tried their cream, what do they call these? Gloss Balm creams. I think the formula is really nice. There's a nice amount of pigmentation, but they're not like a liquefied lipstick. Like, they really are kind of a creamier gloss. I don't tend to love products that are super pigmented and glossy, but these are perfect. And I like both the shades. Cupcakin is a little bit lighter pink, and then Bubble Binge is obviously more of a hot pink, but you can wear them separately. I loved them mixed together too, and I think they're really pretty. They came in a little, I don't have the box in front of me, but they came in like a little duo set, but they're full size. I just made use of this in my drugstore video, and I love this every time I've used it. It's the Revlon Rose Glow Face Gloss. You can kind of use this like under your makeup. You can use it as like a liquid highlighter. You can use it as a highlighter over your makeup too. It says that it is a multi-use face gloss that instantly hydrates, 80% water for a refreshing feel. And I thought that this just adds such a natural glow without being greasy, without having like a ton of shimmer in it. It definitely has like almost, again, like all of these products have this pink iridescence to it. I'm feeling that vibe, but I really like this. It's not hard to work with, and I think it's really versatile, and I think it's a really great product. I've re-fallen in love with the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight. I've been using this non-stop the past couple of weeks. I forgot how good it was. I actually have reached for this. This is still my favorite. The Puma Highlighter is amazing, but unavailable. So this is the metallic highlighter in 100 Molten Gold, one of the best drugstore highlighters out there, especially if you have my skin tone, you like something gold, a little bit warm. This gives tons of glow, but no chunks of shimmer in there. Really reminds me of like a high-end highlighter, like Estee Lauder had a similar one, like their Heat Wave, although it's more powder over like the baked. I think it's phenomenal for the price, and I kind of forgot about it, so I was glad I rediscovered. Want to just mention that I picked this up during the Sephora sale. I'm almost done the drops, but I thought I would try the spray. This is the Isle of Paradise Dark Self-Tanning Water, and I think I like the spray better because it's easier and I feel like I get more, and I don't need to like mix it into any product. So right off the bat, after I wash my face or after I tone even, I'll put this on and just spray it, and I can spray it all over my face, over my décolletage. And it does a great job. I really appreciate that they have light, medium, and dark too, because a lot of self-tanning products, I either need to use them for like a really long time to see an effect, or they just don't work on me at all. So I really appreciate that, and it comes in a nice bottle. Obviously you can see that I really haven't used much, but it's essentially the same idea as the drops, and I've just found the spray to be so much easier, and I feel like it's a little bit of a better deal. And I want to use it on my legs too, because my feet, they look like they are not alive. I need some color, so definitely gonna try this on my body, and I'll report back when I use it there. One of my new favorite cleansing balms. You know how much I love makeup removers, oil makeup removers, balms, all that kind of stuff. It's from Paula's Choice, and what I really love about this is the texture. If you have tried cleansing balms in the past and found them to be a little bit too thick, or you didn't like the texture, this still has like a thick consistency when it comes out, but when you rub it on your face, it's so light. It almost goes like oil to water feeling, or oil to like a lotion mixed with water or something, but it also does a really good job removing my makeup. So melts away makeup, sunscreen, and impurities, rinses cleanly for soft, hydrated skin. If you're in Canada, Paula's Choice you can purchase from their website. I've never had an issue, and in the US too. I mean, you guys have no problem getting your hands on things. It says gently massage into skin onto wet or dry skin. So what I'll do is, at the end of the day, when I remove my makeup, I'll just put it on my face, rub it around, and the texture feels so good that I'll slowly incorporate a little bit of water and then follow up with my next cleanser. But I think this is a fabulous option. It's new to them. Then another skincare item, using this nonstop too, Dr. Belmer Zika Peptide. Zika Peptide Intense Mist. This is so nice. First of all, it's a beautiful, do you hear that? Beautiful. Such a nice light mist, but packs a lot of hydration. So if you have a drier skin, if you have a dry skin, you'll love this. If you have a it's great on the face, not great in the mouth. If you have a drier skin type, you'll love this. But if you have a combo or oilier skin type and you're looking to add some hydration into your routine without heavy, this is it. You can easily, like when I wash my face, I'll just spray this and then go into the rest of my skincare just to add a little added layer of moisture. That's really big in Korean skincare, is adding light layers. And this is a beautiful light layer that comes out in a great mist, super simple. You don't need to pat it on your hands. Like, I'm always looking for simplicity. While I love elaborate things and fun new products, at the end of the day, on the day-to-day, I'm going to be reaching for what is easy and convenient, and I think that that is just super effective as well. And then my favorite body cream I think I've ever tried, or one of the top ones, this is from Biotherm. So L'Oreal brands periodically will send out a PR box with a bunch of their high-end products in an effort to like reduce waste, which is very much appreciated for me. Like, half of my life is breaking down cardboard boxes, I swear. But in one of their packages a little while ago, or maybe even longer ago, but I kind of ignored it because I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting much. This is the Biotherm, and not for any reason, I'm just like not that familiar with the brand. Biotherm, oh, it's French. #1 body moisturizer in Canada. The Lait Corporel. That's Milk Body. L'Original. Body Milk Original. Anti-drying body milk with citrus essence. 48-hour hydration. And honestly, I think it lasts for 48 hours. Like, it really does something. The scent is incredible. It's orangey, but like sophisticated, kind of like orange peels. The texture is just kind of like a lotion, but it makes your skin feel so soft, and it remains to feel soft and smooth and hydrated. It is phenomenal. It's definitely up there, but I will 100% be repurchasing this gladly when I run out, and it's not going to be much longer. I'm probably down to here right now. But yeah, this just, it has oat in here, which is like calming to the skin. What else we got in here? Glycerin. There's an oil, but yeah, it's it really blew me away. It was kind of unsuspecting. So if you are really struggling with like drier skin or just dry skin in general and you've kind of overlooked this brand or this product, give it a second thought. If you're at Shoppers and it's available to sniff, if you're allowed to do that, it smells delightful. So that is everything that I love this month. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below what you are loving, and as always, if you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!